What's up, guys? Yes. Today, Bobjet kind of gave up on the chickens and gave them to me. So, it's not supposed to sound bad like that, but he doesn't really want them. And, warning for this video, our chicken died and our dad had to come and he had to put it out of its misery. So I'm gonna try to not get y'all close to him. Okay? He's right next to me, that little guy. Okay, we're also gonna feed them in water. We're putting this in here for right now. Then we need to get this brick cinder block right here. Oh God, it fell back down. Some ants. Get here, say no to them. Yeah, we're not coming out. Oh God, one just escaped. A chicken just escaped. First time that's happened to me, guys. First time that's happened. Just now, a chicken escaped. I was one-handed, so it wasn't really my fault. We need to get this in here. Okay. So get it right there. Put that in there. This goose is gonna come for me. Okay, we're getting the water. Gotta move it a little to where you don't get too wet. Can't wait till they get a new pool. Check out Lil Bob. He let me have these beautiful things. While y'all are on the ground, I have to do this two-handed. And I don't really want y'all to see that dead chicken. But it's a sad thing. We're gonna bury it in a minute. Now we gotta get out of the cage. This is what sucks doing it one person, but it's what I'm gonna have to start doing from now on. This is about to overflow. Overflow, get out of here. Okay, we got it. Whenever I come back in, if another chicken escapes, I just suck at this apparently. Okay. Ugh. Oh my God. This is pretty difficult filming. We can do the outro with the goose probably. I gotta feed them after this too. With Bob and Jack used to feed them. We used to be a duo. We're getting it. You don't need to get the outside of it because you mainly just need it to not have wet. You just don't want it to be wet. Move, chickens. There's an ant on my foot. Okay. I'm trying to get Karen away. Karen! Karen! Bye! Karen! Okay, she's gone. We're gonna insert that in there. Put this back up. We're gonna go get the food. Ooh, the goose almost got me right there. If y'all like the survival challenges we did, we might do another one. And their food. We're not gonna have to re-hay them for a minute. Wait, what did I put that in? I didn't know this picture, I think. Yeah. We might have to get a second thing. Yeah. Y'all might not even be able to see that. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. We're gonna put this on the picnic table. Get off. Yeah, we just need one more scoop to put down for the goose in them. The others are able to share the goose. The goose doesn't really like to share. It doesn't really like to share with the dog. But we make it. I got them quite a bit, so I think that we're just gonna give the actual chickens a little more. The picnic table's taken over from me right now, so we're just gonna yeet that. Oh my God, that got on the goose. The rest of this right there, I gotta go put this up. I really should have done this in parts. Keep that in mind, guys, because I might start actually doing it in parts. Just like skip to me feeding them, the interesting part. Okay, so whenever this video is over, this thing will be filled up. I'm gonna pick up the goose and do the outro. Peepers. Papers. Papers. She's gonna go for me. You grab her by the tail. By the tail. This is my first time ever picking her up one-handed. Well, that's it for the video. Ow! Yeah, that was not a good idea. But that's it for the video. We still gotta go do the eggs, so it'll be a decent video. Ugh. Like one of my longest videos yet. Ugh, yeah, that can't seem to go. Oh yeah, that's why we have that. I was filming at my face that whole time too. The goose really got me in the hand. I mean, do we even have any eggs? Man, y'all need to get to work. Y'all haven't been giving us eggs. Trying to get into some light. Well, that was me doing the chickens. First time ever doing it by myself. So that was it. So, peace.